Congratulations on your new solar energy system. In this video, we're going to cover all of the steps to successfully turn everything on for a Tesla inverter system. For step one, you will want to go ahead and open up your main electric panel and then locate your system's breaker. This breaker will typically feature a red placard labeled something PV or photovoltaic. Once you find this breaker, make sure it's flipped into the on position. Step two, there will be a disconnect box located outside next to your main electric panel. This will be a smaller box like what you see here on the screen, and it will have a vertical lever. You'll want to flip this disconnect lever from the off into the on position. Step three, Tesla inverter, it does not have an on-off switch, so you will not need to open it up or touch this piece of equipment at all. At this point, your solar energy system is now online. You will want to download the Tesla app and begin monitoring your system. Your system is registered to the email that we have on file, and you should have received a registration email or text from Tesla. And if you haven't received that at this point, please create a Tesla account with that same exact email that we have on file. Thanks again, and please do not hesitate to reach out if there's anything else that we can do to assist.